you have to read the text from the image. Okay, so if you have to read any text from the image, then we have to go for this surface automation mode. So for the surface automation, which spy mode will you select? So we have one mode which is known as a region mode. Okay, so in through the region mode, we can just go for this read text from any image. Okay, we can read the text from the any image. So let's see how we are just going to perform this activity. And always remember, when you perform this region mode activity, so you have to go for this OCR concept. OCR is stands for optical character recognition. Okay, optical character recognition. And this OCR, that is read text from OCR. Okay, so this feature, read text from OCR, this feature is only available in navigate stage. So it means when you are performing the region mode activity, okay, that is surface automation, and you have to use this optical character recognition, so you have to use the navigate stage, because read text from OCR is only available into your navigate stage. So let's see how we can just perform this activity. So log blue prism. No. Okay. So let's create a new object here. Right click, create an object. Okay. Fine. Now here, suppose I'm just gonna take a web page, right? Let's see. Suppose I have this page, and from this page now you can see you have this image. Okay, you have this image. So what you have to do, you have to read the text from this image. Okay, read the text from this image. So now let's see that how we are just going to perform this activity. Okay. Let me refresh the page. Let it open. Okay, now you can see, so this honey text we have to read it from this image. So just copy the URL. Okay, now just close the browser. Now just go into application modeler, set this is okay. Now click on a next, then that is your browser based application. So you have to launch the browser from an exe file, then paste it here the URL. Now just finish this one. So now if you click on a launch, so now here this page will get open. So now your page has been loaded successfully. So now you have to capture the image from this page. Okay, you have to capture the image from this page. So let's see how we are just going to read this one. Okay, so just go here, and now just click on this identify. Okay, now here you have to go for this region mode. Now this one is your region mode. Okay, so you have selected region mode, control and left click. Okay, so when you just press the control and left click, so this entire page will capture in your blue prism window. It's taking some time. Okay, your page is getting highlighted. I did control left click, let it capture. Now go here, so that will capture into the separate window. Okay, now here you can see it is loading. So that will capture into your separate window, okay, region editor window, basically you can say. Now you can see, okay, so you can see the image has been captured successfully. Now suppose I have to read this image, okay, this honey. So what I will do is, here you can see this region. So just click on this one, and here you can select this area, okay, which you have to read. So I have selected this area, and now here you can see all the related activities with this image, okay, that is nothing but your region rectangle. Basically rectangle is nothing but your area expression, right? So you can just go for this one if you have to change any thing over here, right? Suppose if you want to change the name, so you can change the name also. So suppose I said this is image one, okay. Now click on apply and click on OK. This one, it's done. Now just click on a highlight. Fine, just click on image one and just click on a highlight. So now you can see your honey is getting highlighted. Now you can see, okay, perfectly fine. Now just close this page. I did close this page. Now click on apply, click on OK. So let's see how we can just work on this one. So here, first of all, we have to launch the application. So launch application. So drag this main root node into the canvas and just go with this launch activity. Click on OK. After that, we have to go for the wait time stage. So just go for this wait. Double click, I said, when image exists. Okay, I can just make it a dynamic as well. Okay. Now here I'm just increasing some more time over here. If page get take some time around, suppose I'm just giving the 10 seconds. Let's see if that is suffice. After that, what we have to do, we have to read, right? So here, sorry, here is my mistake. That is read stage. Okay. So just go for this read stage, drag this one, and here just drag this image here, and you can see the read text with OCR. If you install this one, read text with OCR, okay. So read the text from the image, and here you have to create the variable. Suppose I say honey image, okay, or honey text, and anything you just need to go for. Now click on this one. So now you can see it has been created. That's fine. Okay, so this is read text from image. Okay. Now click on OK. Now let's connect these stages. Let's connect these stages. Just reset. There is no error at all. Fine. Your page is closed. Fine. Now let's execute this one. Okay. So you have given the 10 seconds. Okay. Let's see if that is suffice. Else it will throw the exception if your page is not loading within a 10 seconds. So it's loaded. Now let's see your process completed. Uh, so here, okay, this has not been captured. So let's see where is the error. So now check. You have to identify that what exactly the mistakes you have done over here. So go into application modeler. I have selected this image. This is my main window. Just click on a highlight. Okay, can't find the identify the region. Okay, so let's see. This image was captured. Okay, that is perfectly fine. Is this image one? Oh, let's see what we have given here. Okay, so I think we have given this element one. No, this is image one. That is perfectly fine. Okay, now let's see if I'm just clicking on set next stage and execute this. Read stage, action cannot find. Okay, now this. So just close this application modeler. Okay, again I'm just gonna capture this. So let's see. Let it launch. Fine. Now this page is taking too much time to get load. I think there is something wrong. Now you can see. Just a moment. It's taking too much time. Not sure what's wrong with this page. Let me open the another page. Let's see. Suppose if I have this student ID card page. Okay, and suppose I have to read this student name from here. So let's see. I'm just gonna cancel this. Okay, let me delete this one. Okay, and I'm just gonna change the URL. So this is the URL. Just paste it here. This one. Click on apply and just close this page. Okay. Now click on a launch. Okay, it's loading. Now here your page has been loaded successfully. Perfectly fine. So it's working. So now go here in here. Now you have to identify, right? So click on identify. Now it's working perfectly fine. Now you can see. Okay. So now control left click. So now you can see this region editor window has been captured successfully. Now I have to read this name, Ziminex. So just click on this region and just drag it over here. That's it. Okay, this one I have captured. Okay, and now suppose if I have to capture the image as well. Okay, so I can just give the suppose meaningful name. I said this is st name, that is student name, and the another area I'm just covering suppose the image. Okay, this image I'm just covering, this one. Okay, I say this is st image, student image. Now just click on apply, click on okay. Okay, so you have captured two things. Now click on highlight. Now you can see your name is getting highlighted. If I just click on image, so now you can see your image is getting highlighted. Now click on apply, click on OK. So just close this page. Now go here. So here, suppose I have to launch this application. Okay. Now here, I just need to go for this student name, read the text with OCR, and suppose I said this is a student name. Okay, I have created this. Okay. This one, and here you can see the dynamic, this element exists or not. Okay, so now let's see, just close the page, browser is closed. Now let's execute this and see the name is getting fetch or not. Still it's running. Not sure if the web page is slow or backend server is slow. Let me close this. No, this is not responding. There is something issue with the blue prism, I think. It's not responding. So I have to close the blue prism application actually. I just need to reopen that. Let's see. Just open this. Unlock the business object and start editing it. Okay. Now go here. Okay. So I have to perform the activity again because that was not saved. This is URL. Let's perform application modeler. I say student card. Next, in Explorer, exe, pass the URL. Just finish this one. Okay. Now click on a launch. Going to identify. This is your region node. Control click. Fine. So this has been captured. Okay. Now just go into your region. So this is your name. Just go here. I said a student name. Then I also have to capture the image. Okay. Suppose this image I have to capture. A student image. Now click on apply. Click on OK. Fine. Now apply. Now OK. Just go here. Navigate. I said launch application. Student card. Launch. Okay. Then go for the wait time stage. This one. If student name exists, then read. Okay. I said this is for student name. Okay. You can just give the meaningful name as read student name. Okay. This one. OCR. Okay. I said this is student name variable. Now let's connect this. Then we will just go for the image form. So here, if you go, So now here you can see the name has been read successfully, that is Ziminex, right? This was a name which we have here, this one. Now again execute, just reset this and again execute and see. Let's execute. And now here you can see your name has been captured successfully, Ziminex. Now I have to capture the image as well, right? So let's see how we are just going to perform the image activity. So same here, you have to go for this read. Okay, I say student image. Okay, so just drag it over here, go with the read image. Okay, I say st image variable. Now click here. Now connect these stages, reset this. Okay, now let's execute this process and see. Okay, browser is closed already. Now execute this. So now it will capture the name as a Ziminex, and here you can see the image size, right? So just go into the image and here you can see the current value and here you can see the view. Just click on a view. So now you can see the image which we have captured, right? So you can see the image has been captured successfully. Now, suppose if we have to save the image, okay, I'm just gonna rename this read text and get image. Okay, I'm just gonna create a duplicate page of this and save. Now suppose this image I also have to save into my this folder. Okay, so how we can just save this image? Okay, so for this what will happen, we have to go for the code stage here, right? We have to go for the code stage, then only we can just perform this activity. So let's see how we can just go for the code stage here. So drag the code stage, double click on this, and here inputs. Okay, so I'm just gonna give a meaningful name as save image, and I'm just gonna create a two input variable. Okay, one is the image which you have to capture and the another one is the file path. Okay, that is file path. So suppose I'm just giving as a source image. So my data type will be the image only, and here the image I need to read it from here. Then I have file name which will be my text where you have to save the file. So I have to save the file in this folder. So just go here, this one, slash whatever the name you have to give, right? So suppose I just need to give the Zimi net, okay, or whatever. Suppose I'm just giving the student image dot png. Okay, this is my file path. Now I have to write the code. So there is a one-liner code only. So I have taken two variables, right? Source image and file name. So I have to write source image dot save where in the file name variable. That's it. You can check the code. Now you can see if you click on check code, so there is no error at all. If there will be any error, suppose I say NAM. Okay, now click on check code. Now you can see the file NAM is not declared. Okay, so I have not declared this variable. So here just go with this. Now you can see it's working. Click on OK. And if you want to see in which language this code has been written, so just go here in properties in initialize page and code options. Now you can see you can just go for the language selection over here as well. Okay. So now let's connect these stages. Now there is no error at all, and here you can see in, just close this page, and here you can see there is no image as of now. Let's execute and see. Now you can see the image has been captured. Now just close this page. Now here you can see the name Ziminex has been captured. Now here you can see your image is here. Now go into your folder and see where that images are. Now you can see instant image. Just open this. Okay, so you can save in JPG or you can save in PNG as well. Let it open. Okay, so it is opening. Now you can see. Okay, this is, now you can see this is your image over here. So this is the concept that how we can read the text and how we can just capture the image as well. So now just I'm just gonna create a new page, duplicate copy, that is, see, dynamic. Okay, for example, I said whatever the student name will be, okay, with the name I need to save the file. So what I need to do, just go here, kill here, this is common. After that, use the concatenation, and the text I will use it from here, this one. Okay, and then just write this PNG in double quotes, validate expression is valid. Now click on OK, click on OK. Please choose the another one. ST, that is fine. Just choose the name for this stage, conflict with the stage, save image on page retake. Okay, okay. So just give the save image one. I'm just giving the name. Okay. Now click OK. Now here you can see when I will execute this bot now, so it will save the image into my folder with the name of the student, whatever the student name will be, like Ziminex or whatever. So now let's execute this. Now you can see your name has been captured. Now you can see the size as well. Now process is completed. Okay, now close this one. Now go into your folder and now you can see the Ziminex. Okay, if you'll open this one, so you will be able to see the image. This one, now you can see. So this is a concept of the OCR. Okay, so from the any of the page you can just read the image text. Okay, you can read the image text. So like you have this, for example, this hot star, right? So if you have to if you have to read the images, okay, or if you have to save these images. Okay. Now just going to movies. Okay, this is unsupported browser. Okay, so you can open it here, no worries. Okay, this is Hotstar. Okay, this one. So if you'll go into the movies here, like Hindi or English, whatever. Okay, so you have to read the text basically. Okay, suppose you have to save the image as well. Suppose if you have selected this one, so you have to select this image. Okay, you have to save this image like this way. So what you have to do as an assignment, just capture this entire page and just select different images. Okay, I do not need to read the all the images, so just read the randomly, like first image you have captured, okay, then this one, then you have captured the another image. So just read the 3 to 4 images, okay, and just capture it, okay, and just store into the different data item and save here. Okay, so this is something which you have to perform. Is it clear, Ravinder?
Clear. Yeah, clear.
Okay, so this is a concept that how we can just perform this activity. And the second thing what you can do is, if you have the scan copy or the PDF file of your Aadhaar card or your PAN card, so you have to read the name and your Aadhaar card number from your copy, and you have to capture into the Blue Prism. So you can
Okay.
also go for that.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So just try till here, and after that we will see the each and everything into the next session. And
Okay.
the URL of this one, which I have used over here, like this one, the student or whatever, this one. So I will share with you this URL also. So here are
Okay.
different ID cards, so you can capture this. No worries. Okay.
Okay.
So just try to capture all the details of one student ID card, like the name of the school, then name, then class, then father name, session, okay, date of birth, and the image also. So capture each and everything of one ID.
Okay.
So I will share this file with Ajay, so he will share with you shortly.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Ravinder. Then we will connect next session. Come on. Thank you, Ravinder. Thank you for
Yeah.
joining.
Thank you.